I need to keep scrolling down, and that will make the video very long. However, in your case, just keep scrolling to figure out some really good ones that you can do demonstration. And here it is. I'm talking, I already saw one. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Anas, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in the comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment as well as messages on my Instagram. And if you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video, I will show you how to find the best selling products on Facebook. And yes, that's why I'm wearing blue, by the way. I just need the logo here, or actually I need to be paid for it. Or I might actually put the logo in the thumbnail, so that's so ironic, right? Anyway, so in this video, as I said, I will show you how to find the best selling products on Facebook, not just for a particular niche, but actually for every niche. So if you are doing clothing or jewelry or whatever your niche is, this video will be really helpful for you because I will show you a unique trick to find the best selling products for every niche on Facebook. And yeah, you're right, Facebook does not give you that information, right? But we will use a really unique trick, which is my trick, and we will manipulate Facebook to only show us the best selling products in a specific country. And not just one country. In this video, I will obviously go for one country. And in your case, if you are trying to sell products in a specific country, make sure to go for that country. And without any more talking, let's just get to it. So what I'm about to access right now is actually Facebook ad library. So just access Facebook ad library. And here it is. After we did access it, we're going to go for a specific country. As I said, if you are going for a country, make sure to pick it from the list. In this case, I'm just going for United States for demonstration. So pick United States. After that, all ads from here. And in the search bar, this is really important. So when people are selling products on Facebook, they use particular keywords. And you might be wondering like what? Well, free shipping, buy now, get yours now. There is a lot of keywords, not just those. And I will put some of them in the description. So you don't have to be limited to the keyword that I will be using in this demonstration. So in my case, I'm going to go for a particular keyword that's been used a lot by people selling products, which is free shipping. So free shipping is not for a particular niche. Anyone that's selling a specific product in any niche can actually use this keyword, right? So we will capitalize on that and we will use those keywords to find those products. And as I said, I will show you a unique trick to manipulate Facebook ad library to only show us the winning ones. So let's just type in my keyword, which is free shipping. And after you do typing, it will show you some pages that has the same name. Do not select any page or anything like that. Just type in the keyword and hit enter. And as I said, I will put multiple keywords in the description box. And after that, as you can see, 50,000 results, actually more than 50,000 results. And we don't know which one are the best selling, right? And to do that, simply head over to the filters tab right here where you see filters, click on it. And after you did select filters, you see all these languages, advertisers, do not select anything from those. Head over to active statue right here, simply click on it and click on active ads because that's what we want, right? A best selling product will actually be still active on Facebook. Otherwise, it's not the best selling. So after that, scroll down and you will see this impression by date, click on it. And right now, this is where the trick comes in place. So we need to pick a date that's actually close to our date right now, but not that far. And at the same time, it needs to be active. That's why we selected this active statue. So let's just select, for example, 2023 and January 5th, the 5th January. And I will explain what this in details. Just hold on for a moment. So in this two option right here, click on it and we will go for example, 20 January. So what this option basically means is Facebook will only show us active ads that started running between 5 January and 20 January of this year, but still active to this day, which means more than a month ago. So if the ads is actually running more than a month ago, that means it's a successful ad and it's actually selling. And let's just hit apply and show you what I'm talking about. So after that, as you can see, it will show us a bunch of ads here. And this one started running on 11 January and still active to this day and have this keyword, which is free shipping. And right here, you can see it. As you can see, it says free shipping worldwide, as you can see. And those might not be the best selling. These actually are successful ads for the advertiser, but it's not actually the best selling. And to know the best selling, just scroll down. I will pick some example just from here because I need to keep scrolling down and that will make the video very long. However, in your case, just keep scrolling to figure out some really good ones that you can do demonstration. And here it is. I'm talking, I already saw one. As you can see, this one right here, it has 17 ads. So this one is active and started running on 20 January 2023 and running all on those platforms right here. And also it have 11 ads use this creative in text, which is a text and a picture, which is a t-shirt in this case. So this ad is running more than a month ago and still active, and the advertiser did multiply the ad set into 17 new ads. And from my experience, why am I want to do that? Because they want to target different interests or different country. And by the way, if you are interested in knowing which country your competitor is targeting and knowing where exactly the city where he's targeting, make sure to check out my channel. I did make that video as well, and it's really unique trick, by the way. So let's just check out their store, by the way, just to spy on them a little bit. And just from the icon for the cart right here, I can tell it's actually a Shopify store, and that will prove that. So let's just scroll all the way down. No, it does not say here powered by Shopify, but you can just right click, inspect, and here it is. As you can see, it says here cdn.shopify.com, which stands for Content Delivery Network, and that's what Shopify uses to deliver content, which is images and so on Shopify store. So this is running on Shopify, and it does sell products right here that has to do with dogs and so on. Yeah, and this is t-shirt. This is probably print on demand t-shirt right here. As you can see, they are looking the same but with different designs. However, let's just get back and explain why this is actually winning for them. Because as I said, they did multiply it 17 times and they did target different interests or different countries to scale. So this is in scaling operation basically. And here is another one from the same Shopify store right here. As you can see, it has 13 ads, use the same creative and text, and start running as well in 20 January, which is more than a month now, which is also a t-shirt as well, as you can see. And as I said, to find golden nuggets, make sure to keep scrolling like this and you will find a lot of good stuff. In my case, I can't do that because the video will be an hour long and I will actually show you some really cool tricks if I did that. However, I don't think that many people want to watch an hour-long video. And if you are interested in that, make sure to subscribe on my channel because there is a lot of cool videos coming on the way and some really unique tricks. And as I said, if you guys have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in the comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. And I do reply to each comment as well as messages on my Instagram. And if you are wondering why is that again, because simply I'm working for you. Otherwise, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching and catch you on the next one.